The building was shut down without consent. The authorities never bothered to revisit this place
Oh,
until
this is
now.
so boring.
We've seen reports of increased incident activity here. Other intel shows they attempted to influence personal conversation.
May sinasabi ka ba?
You and your squad mates, fuck you! Don't mute me! Mute na ba ako?
Hindi.
Ano gagawin natin sa mission?
Ewan, ano tayo ng ano, ng factory
Wait
ng
lang,
spices.
fuck, wait lang to. Nandito na grab driver ko. Be right back.
Ang ina!
Wait, hindi nga lang, magdadala ko ng camera gun.
Camera gun?
Oo, para makita natin kung anong makikita natin sa loob ng room para hindi tayo barilan agad.
Ay, bahala.
Yeah. So that we know what to do.
Wait,
Perhaps.
cheap low-performance civilian-grade shotgun press into military service, inherited from Casca's father.
No, not my shotgun, yo. Not my dad.
Father, it's your father. Gagamit ako ng ano?
Oh, ba?
AK. Gagamit ng AK.
Okay.
Disable motion cameras. Should I use this?
Oh, bahala.
I'm gonna use this. Hindi naman kailangan ng ano eh. We don't need a... What do you call that?
This entire series is ass.
Shut up. This is the goated series of all time.
Not this series. This series. What the fuck?
That's it. That's our target.
That's our target. Ano yung bata?
Good luck, guys.
Hold on.
Let's hope we're not hitting
Let's
the
hope
wrong
we're not.
target.
Tangina, you're not the one to speak for that. You're not the one to speak. You're not the one to speak.
You're not the one to speak for that.
You're
not the one.
Alright.
Let's just run.
Alright.
Tangina, can I kill this guy? Can I just kill this guy now?
Oh shit!
Sabi lang, wait lang! Wait lang!
Wait.
One. Tangina!
Oh shit!
Tangina, yo!
Naman siya.
The fuck? Yo, wait! What a sound!
Casca, get a hold of yourself. O, diba? Get a hold of yourself.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on.
That's what we're all saying.
Man, set this one out. Set this one out.
Wait ka na. May gagawin nga.
Cause, stay there.
Sit this one out, yo. Sit this one out.
I'm trying to... Ba't tayo magamit ang camera gun ko? I'm trying to use the camera
I
gun.
think you're just stupid.
Oh, there you go. Ah, ito! I have to press it. Okay, walang tao dito.
Guys, please fucking close the door. I'm not asking anymore.
Okay, hold on.
What are you gonna do?
Ayun! Ayun, may
Oh!
Tao. It's dead. Damn, calm down.
I gotta make sure.
Tol! That's
Ito, may tao dito. May tao dito.
Wait lang, may radyo siya. Wait lang. Kaya niyo na yan. Tol!
Sorry.
Oh, it's not mine. It's not my fault anymore. It's not my fault anymore.
Shit! Alam nila nasan tayo.
Oh shit! To!
Uh-oh.
Immunity! Ready your... Oh shit.
Oh, there's no immunity.
Nasaan kayo?
We're dead.
Stupid
Nasaan
ass,
We're
man.
dead.
Wow.
We're over here.
We're dead. Okay.
Alright.
Okay,
Mark, can you help us? It's not gonna look good in the video.
Oh, you're dead.
Oh shit, that's two.
Meron isang tao. Meron dalawang tao.
Katok ako.
Layo na kayo. Tangin!
Oh!
Kaya sabi ko lumiyo muna kayo eh. Damn, I'm dead. Pick me up! Ba't dinaanan niyo
No.
ako?
Tangin na, latag bata to. Shit.
Oh
Oops.
my.
Tangin na, ayaw kasi umano eh. That's
Hindi naman siya
okay.
natakbo. Hindi naman siya natakbo.
Tangin na, parang tatakas. Ayaw.
You
It's not
see
getting
him
intimidated.
Siya pa nasisa.
Shut up.
Wow. What a
Wow.
fucking guy.
Shut up.
This man.
Yung tao pang namatay
Then,
sa
then,
sinisisi mo. Wow.
Shut up.
Is this even a door?
It's his fault. We should cancel this dead man. Okay, how about this door?
Wait lang.
Ikatok muna tayo.
Oh my god. This man, yo.
I don't care. Sino na ba?
Katok muna tayo.
Hold on. Shut the fuck up.
Lari
there's
ako,
nobody here.
puta.
Okay, there's nobody here.
Whoa.
Be very fucking cautious.
Guys, this place is pretty spacious.
Why are
Okay,
you
okay. Yo, hold on. Wag mo nang gabitin yung camera gun. We know there's people down behind that door.
Check mo muna baka voice recording lang.
Kaya ba open yung door slowly?
Oh.
Try mo nga lang.
Hey, heads up. We cannot, it's lockpick. Hold on.
Oh no! Wait lang, may lockpick ako.
Someone lockpick. That's not a fucking lockpick!
Okay.
Oh. Hell.
Door.
Tol, patay na si Charlie!
Hold on, I'm reviving
No.
him.
I'm not.
Charlie is high priority. He's special.
He is.
Okay, you revive him. Oh, dito. Tol, put your hands in the fucking air. Oh my god, I'm gonna
Are you fine?
I'm going to die.
I
You're gonna
cannot.
be fine.
Is this man alive?
Oh, hi sir.
He's not.
Thank you, sir.
Wait lang,
He's not-
may overdose meter daw dito sa health pen. So, pwede ko ba yung overdose si Alexi? Wait lang.
I
Get
don't
the fuck
recommend overdose. I don't recommend overdose.
Tol.
Wait
Tol,
lang, Stacey.
I swear to God. Stop.
Hey, you!
Oh.
What the fuck? Hey, what
There's
the fuck?
nobody here. Hindi nga siya nasunod eh. Just hold on. Is this good footage? This might be good footage.
This might be footage.
Shoot him down.
Yo.
This might be footage. Wait nga lang.
Ay, backshot mo.
Yung nga gagawin. Damn, yo.
Put him out of his misery.
Oh,
no.
hindi non-hostile. Wow, nice call.
Damn, yo!
It's not open.
Chill the
Don't
fuck
care.
out. Yo,
It's
survey
not
room
open.
to. I think
Camera.
high pixel survey room ata to.
Okay, so there's a grenade hand in the other one. But this one, there's not. We're good. We're in the clear.
Wonderful.
Tap the fuse.
Wait lang, no. I'm going to flashbang this.
I trust. Oh shit, Tol!
There's
Behind
there's
you?
people in there. Oh yeah.
Tol, behind you!
Behind me. Oh.
Uy, tangina! Tol, binabalik, tol, sara ko. Take it.
Uy! Okay. Is that man a friendly? Intimidate him.
Oh, I'm gonna intimidate all over the place.
Okay.
Sir, is you good? Sir, is you good?
Kanina pa ako sinasaksak ng mga hostage, ah.
Tol, I think you're just being dominated, yo. That's gay as fuck.
This game is fun. Yo.
Holy shit!
Nice.
Oh.
No!
Damn!
Can someone
Get a hold of yourself.
Yo. Oh shit.
Oh.
We're dead.
Matay na si Charlie.
Who's that? Hey, you! He's
Oh,
running
shit.
away! He's running away!
Hey.
Gano'ng karami yung shots yung final para lang sa isang guy?
At least two.
At least two. At least more than two.
Wait lang.
There's
Tangina, may ka na isa side.
Okay, ito. There's people inside this room.
Let me
it's
flash
in the
bang,
back
let me
room.
flash bang, let me
Wait,
flash
wala dito. Nasa
Tol, wait lang, may
dulo
tao
ng
dito. May tao sa room na to.
Let me flash bang them. Then papasok tayo. Okay. Look at it.
Do they know?
Don't look at it, yo.
Where?
Let's close that door.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, sinaksak ka?
Ngayon niya.
Okay, hold on. Okay, there's people behind this door. There's people behind this
No.
door. There's a man. There's two men.
Sino?
One has a gun. There's one with a gun. Use the flashbang.
Wala na. Just fucking lie.
He's dead.
Ano
Oh,
yan?
grenade! Oh shit.
Throw it back!
Get yo.
Who's that?
Ow. That's like a little bad at this game. Okay.
You're okay?
Oh, thank you, my good man.
Did I reload my gun?
That's what.
Okay, Metro Boomin is up in his house.
Natakbo. Nice one.
He's dead. Nice. Oh, save.
Yo, my checkpoint. Zone.
Oh my god.
Zone.
I'll give you $50 if you stroke it at a medium pace, Thomas.
Hey. No, stop. Calm down. Don't do it.
Are we in the
Well,
mines?
sex dungeon mo ba to?
Are we in the mines?
Yes.
Are we in the mines?
Yes.
Are we in Minecraft?
What are we
who's
gonna
that?
do after we mine, Ralph?
My mask. Hold on. Yo, what the fuck? Is he dying?
I
Yo,
wear
he's
a
dying.
mask out of with a smile
Oh.
at hours out of time.
Well, that's our mistake. Wala tayong gas mask.
Wait, ano yan? What the fuck does that mean?
Okay, it appears we have a time limit. We gotta get out of here.
Oh, fuck. Get it. Respirator room. Tol. Yo, whoa.
Pinto. Kaya may airlock eh. Sarado niyo yung pinto.
Oh.
Whoa. There you go.
Oh, tayo na!
Ikaw talaga favorite.
Hey, close that door. Tol, we're gonna down.
Ang imagine, agad-agad manos dahil ano may time limit tayo.
Are we going in a circle? I feel like we're going in a circle.
I don't think so.
Just kick down every fucking door.
We should have brought up the mask with a smile that we were at hours at the time.
We literally just went into a circle.
Okay lang yan.
Jesus Christ.
I wear a mask with a smile for hours at a time.
Let's respirate. Alexi, stay
This
there.
is not the respirator room. This is not the respirator room.
Ito.
Oh, fucking let me in!
That is it. Okay.
Damn.
We're safe. We're in the clear.
Bumalik
Pwede
lang
ba
tayo.
mag-tigil?
No, we're not. No, we did not. We're back in the timer. Just run like hell.
Ay, ito.
What's
Ano?
this? What's this? This is a different place.
Wait, tol dito.
Oh.
Ooh. Is
Is there
he
any
okay?
baddies in here? Oh, well, he's dead.
I gently opened the door. Tol, patay na siya!
I gently opened the door.
When is this game gonna get
Close that door.
good?
Close that door. Oh shit.
I don't care.
We're gonna die.
We're not.
I don't care.
What the fuck is this? Is this a...
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh! Intimidate! Oh, I made dodge! Oh shit, that's a grenade!
Alis.
Oh my god, okay.
Ooh.
Don't care them. We don't care.
Just close the doors behind you.
Just close the doors. Out of sight, out of mind.
Oops!
Dear
well-
God, who did you shoot?
Dear Lord! He looked scary. He looked scary.
Just because they have a different skin. Oh no, they know where we are.
Don't open that door. Do not open that door. Do not.
Oh fuck.
Alexis' fault. Alexis' fault. Mine?
Oh, I'm dead.
7 seconds. 7 seconds.
Yeah, probably have to save this guy.
I'm dead.
I'm dead.
I'm...
Give me the torch! Go on without me!
Leave me to die.
Wait lang. I'm gonna clutch this up.
Tol.
How funny would it be kung mag-grip ka ng guy with knife?
Oh my god. Please happen.
We're not getting shit done!
We're immortal, don't worry, we're not gonna die. We're dead. I'm dead. Okay. We're all dead.
Can we get them?
Oh my
God
damn.
Oh!
Charlie, maghanap na tayo ng respirator room. Charlie, let's find one.
Yeah.
Let's find one quick.
Respirator room ba to?
This is not a respirator.
Dito sa likod. Ay, meron.
Ito. Get in! Wow! Oh, hey! Yo,
On the
bust it
ground,
down.
no.
Bust it down right now. Okay.
Oh. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Don't revive him.
He's this. Everyone deserves a second. Oh shit.
Man. Shit. Okay, he's dead.
Loki, di ko na siya dapat ni-revive.
Sabi kasi yung revive. I told you.
Man, him, he knew.
I'm a
Does he know? Yes, he did.
I did, in fact. No.
He
22
knew.
seconds, 20 seconds on the clock. Tara nga, pasok nga muna tayo ng respirator.
Go to get in there. Get in the respirator room. Where's the respirator room?
8 seconds.
Just kick it down. I don't care.
Where's
2
the
seconds.
respirator?
Pasok, tagi!
Guys? Uh-oh. I should have brought a gas mask.
That's fucking stupid.
Oh.
Ayan,
Oh
yes.
my God.
Oh my god, we're here. That was easy.
We need to respirate so bad.
Okay, get inside the respirator room. Whoa. Alright, he's dead.
Mamaya pa. 1 minute
Close
pa
the
tayo.
door. Close the door.
1 minute pa tayo.
Okay, this is
Oh,
new.
better
Pag
safe and...
30 seconds, balik na tayo.
Who's this? Yo, who
Alright.
this? Oh shit.
Don't
My screen's
shoot.
getting blurry.
Turn off your flashlights.
Oh shit! Oh, he dead.
Turn off your flash. Okay, 30 seconds, balik sa respirator room.
Get in
Alright.
the room. Get in the stroke it room. Get in
What?
the room.
What you say to me, young man?
Get on your hand and stroke.
Oo, sayang.
Bakit parang ano,
Ano laptop?
parang
Parang
dito mata
timer
sa
or
mga
wala?
ano.
What's the timer? Wala.
Stack up.
One stack up.
What does that mean?
Reach door. Clear the room.
What does this mean?
Zip tie them.
Carcinogen spike detected. Fuck.
Plants. Yo guys, tinan nyo guys.
Ball!
Okay, pasok na tayo.
Tara.
I can't read these. Does it fit in a square? Oh yeah, save point. Oh my god.
Oh my,
Hey.
oh my god. Hey, no.
Let's all calm
Tangina, I really
down.
maganda na yung audio dito. I'm gonna crash out kung hindi.
Pag pangat yung audio, tatawa ako tol.
I'm gonna crash out.
You open this door.
I think gagawin ko lang, ikakat out ko lang datang footage ni Clark.
Who the fuck is that? Who's Robo Man? Who the fuck
Ano
is that?
yan?
I don't
Yan?
want to know. I don't want to know.
This might be V1 Ultra Kill.
Who the fuck are you? Nigga.
Flashbang. Tama mo na tingnan ng flashbang.
Tang ina, robot yan, wala yung mata.
No, it's a man. Is that the man behind the slaughter?
Boss ata to.
Ano yan? Isiyan mo nga.
He's speaking Ching Kong. Ching Chong.
Oh.
He's oh shit! It's a boss fight.
Ano
It's a boss
yan?
fight.
Tang
It's a boss
ina,
fight.
guys, this game is not realistic.
He threw it back.
Damn,
Pumunta tayo sa cover. Binabral niya siya sa open. Damn.
Fuck! He's gonna stop it. Oh my god! Shared materials. We need to find materials. We need materials, and I'm dead.
The fuck is we supposed to do here?
We have to look for materials. Deal with the complication. Intel, the boss cannot be damaged by bullets. Search crates to find materials to make bomb. We got to Allah Akbar this man, yo.
Okay. Oh, boss. I'm dead.
This is great footage, yo.
Oh, I'm gonna bust. Fuck this, I'm gonna goon habang nintay.
Please die. Please die.
Patay
Please do
ako!
die.
What do you want me to do?
I
Patay
hope
ka ba
Clark does. Yeah.
Oh! I
Just
just said!
I'm dead.
Binili niya
Stupid
ako.
ass.
Okay. No, yeah, no shit.
Guys, this game is not realistic. Kasi,
That is-
dapat kailangan natin magkatok.
Hello! Hello, my friend!
Hello,
Hello.
hello, monkey.
Damaged by bullets. Search crate to find materials to build bombs. Maghiwa-hiwalay tayo para sa bombs. Huwag tayo magdikit kasi mas...
I go this way.
Okay, I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Oh shit.
Game
Just
searching.
threw it back at me.
Stay
Oh,
in
shit.
cover, yo. Stay in cover.
What does it look like what we're trying to do?
Oh
I'm in
Ready? Mind you.
damn, yo.
Okay.
Oh shit, he sees me! He sees me!
Okay, I think he sees Alexi. I think he's at Alexi.
There's a chance.
I'm bringing him here.
Okay, how do we make the bomb?
Hold G to craft a bomb. Craft explosive.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got him!
I have one explosive. I have one explosive.
Oh shit! I'm dead! I'm dead!
No, you're not.
I'm dead! Do you not see me die?
No.
That's gonna
Oh,
blow right behind me. Oh shit!
no. You're not.
Oh, you're gonna die! You're gonna die! You're gonna die!
I'm not.
Slap it onto his face! Slap it
Okay.
onto his face! Slap it onto his face!
Ooh, nice one. Just a lang material, tol.
Tol, mind you, pick me up. Mind you, pick me up.
Boom! Okay. Oh,
Nice one.
napasabog ulit siya.
Okay. Clark, I want you to cover Charlie, yo, real quick.
This is gonna look good sa footage ni Alexi.
Revive. Clark, take the lead.
Hindi ko na-
Hindi ko nahagis yung ano. Hindi ko nahagis yung isang bomba niya. Shit. Tol, nasunod na siya sa'yo.
Uh-oh.
Charlie, use a health pen right now.
Okay. Craft a bomb.
Run! Throw it! Oh!
Shit.
iframes!
Oh my back.
Ang ina! Wag mo na ako i-revive!
No, nobody dies today. Oh shit!
Bobo!
Charlie, run! If you die, it's gonna be the funniest shit ever.
This is a pretty hard watch.
This is kinda hard.
Okay. I'm gonna craft a bomb.
Oh shit!
Shit, I can use my gun.
Bullets don't work on my man blood!
Boom! Napasag ko na.
Yo!
Okay, nice.
Yo!
Can you pick... Boss, can you pick me up?
No.
Damn, chill out, he's already dead.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, Loki. Okay, we all did a thing.
Okay, use a health pen right now, dude.
Okay, Loki para to make sure na patay na siya.
Sa lahat ng magazine ko sa pistol, pinilibot ko sa kanya.
Okay, he's dead.
Ang AK ko ginagamit ko sa kanya. Just to be sure.
Yeah, he's dead. I think he is.
Yeah, I think
Like a little bit.
how do you get out of this place?
Okay, now.
Escaping
Oh, this
Yeah.
place.
Can we just drink a recall potion so we can go home?
Wow.
Okay. Oh, guys, you're venting. It's like Among Us. Is
Wanna
it
do
Imposter Among Us?
Wanna do part 2?
Yo, grade B ulit tayo.
Nice.
Is this the Imposter Among Us? Return. Fuck that.